Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Well, I have a pain that irradiates like from here to down here and goes back, and I believe it might be work related because it gets worse when I work several days in a row, and it's becoming pretty constant recently.
So what, can you show me the posture of work?
Yeah, well, we have double screens, a keyboard, and the keyboard can be lifted up or down. We have a stand-up desk, so I can regulate that. But yeah,
What do you do?
I'm a pharmacist. I work 10-hour shifts in front of the computer.
Okay, so a lot of repetitive motion.
Yeah, and we have a roll mouse. That doesn't really help me. At the beginning it did, but now it doesn't.
So how long has it been going on?
A few months, I would say 3 months.
Okay, 3 months. So what kind of treatment you had for this?
Actually, just try to rest, try to change the height of my keyboard, so the lowest it goes, the less pain I have. But other than that, I took some ibuprofen, but I know that's not a permanent solution.
Temporary.
Yeah.
So how much pain from 0 to 10 at worst, and what motion aggravated?
Like the last day I worked was 2-3 days ago. It was, I would say, 8. It was really.
And it's from the back and radiated to.
Yeah, it would feel worse here, but it goes all the way here.
Okay. So what about now? How much pain?
Right now, I say 4 or 6 because I didn't work the last few days. So. Yeah.
Okay. So up and bring your arm up all the way to your head. How much pain with that?
2.
Okay. Thumb up here and bring it. How's that?
It's not painful.
Okay. I want you to do this.
Yeah. Now I feel more.
0 to 10.
4.
4. So we're gonna use that for testing. I want you to do this.
3 or 4.
3 or 4. Can you do any other motion that aggravated? Do you feel something catching there?
Yeah. Maybe this will hurt. I wish I had been here. Like the last day I worked was worse.
It's worse. And you said with weight you feel it.
Yeah.
How much weight?
And then after I did this move, not the pain might not be there when I'm doing the move, but when I rest, it just.
It's afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Like now I feel the pain.
How much?
It's going up. Like I would say 6 or 7.
Okay. Can you do this? And.
I feel like my range of motion is not normal there.
Relax.
That's hurting.
Sorry. Get your inflammation down so you can tolerate more.
Okay.
Work. Is that painful here?
No.
How does it feel?
No.
Do you have any neck issue? Okay. What about now?
Yeah, it's painful.
It's painful. I want to show you how strong this magnet. Try to push my hand, just very lightly push it. You feel the resistance? You feel that's resistance? That's magnetic. That goes deep. Like we measured it, it was like when I add them, it's the range 4 to 5 inches. Is it too much? What I'm doing is okay.
No, I don't have pain.
When did I see you last time? Like for different issue?
Yeah, maybe like 6 months ago.
6 months ago. What you came for?
For a pain here on the face. It was shooting really badly. I couldn't even drink or eat. I couldn't open my mouth. It was really painful.
How many treatments you had for that?
3 or 4.
Yeah. Nice. And how long you had that?
The problem that happened abruptly. I ate something and the pain shoot really fast.
How long that's been going on?
That was maybe a month, but it was really bad. It was terrible.
So you had 3-4 treatments. That was 6 months ago. Did you have any symptoms since we finished the program?
No, that was
That's
gone.
nice.
Yeah, it was great. I was surprised. So I did all what you told me, like the vitamin C, the turmeric, low sugars, no caffeine, all these things. And I'm sure I'm on a low carb diet anyways. So.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's part of ASTR program. We put patient on an anti-inflammatory diet. If there's like vitamins or mineral deficiency, we have to address that. We do a lot of testing for that.
And also on Friday after work, because I was in so much pain, I went to a massage therapist by my house, and she went really deep. So some soreness is still there.
I will not do deep tissue massage because what I feel, there is a lot of inflammation here. So think about if you have open wound, do you rub that? Internally, when you have inflammation, that's like an internal wound, but the skin covered. You don't want to rub that because it's gonna inflame more. Does that make sense? So I'm not really crazy about deep tissue massage to begin with. There's like some study shows it's not actually. Well, period massage does not provide long term. There's like at least 6 to 7 systematic reviews saying that. But deep tissue massage could cause harm actually. Okay, let's drink a little bit more water and try to. How's it feel?
I think it's better.
Is it gone? We're still feeling. Let's do the other motion too, flexion, abduction, everything.
Like this?
And do the side like this. How's that?
I think it's better.
Any catching?
No.
Any pain, discomfort? And the other motions, and tell me how that feels. Any pain, discomfort?
It's better.
You've been doing more than when we started. It was just painful doing one time, a couple of times.
Remember.
Yeah, you did like at least now so far probably around 10.
Yeah, it's better, doctor.
Any pain or it's gone?
I don't feel the pain I was shooting.
All right. So what do you think about ASTR treatment? Just a few minutes working on it.
I already knew it's wonderful because I've had a really good past experience. So I'm not surprised it's helping. I knew I had to get this done. So thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.